According to the sources, the NIA in its probe and from revelations by overground workers has revealed that terrorists were in Baisaran Valley 2 days before the terrorist attack took place there. The terrorists first arrived at the valley on April 15th. The terrorists then scouted 3 more areas for attack other than the Baisaran Valley. Aru Valley Amusement Park and Betab Valley were the part of their places that they were planning to attack. They scouted those areas. 20 OGWs or on-ground workers have already been identified and 3 satellite phones were used during the attack. NIA teams will be visiting Pahalgam to also recreate the attack scene, and the investigation is still going on. So that's the latest that we have picked up with regards to the NIA investigation currently underway. Surprising fact here, the terrorists arrived here in Indian territory on April 15th. They went on to recce more places other than the Baisaran Valley. They were also planning to attack all of those famous tourist spots. Then Baisaran Valley saw that horrific act of crime on the day, April 22nd, when 26 innocent lives were claimed by them. Supreme Court of India said that petitions such as PIL for probing Pahalgam attack should not be filed. The apex court asked lawyers to understand their responsibility. Supreme Court also said that the petition should be withdrawn, otherwise we will have to issue an order. Court said that they are not experts at conducting investigations. Furthermore, Supreme Court said that all citizens should unite and be against terrorism. Said that such a demand will demoralize our security forces. Breaking news coming in at the moment with Apex Court asking the petitioners to not file any such petition such as PILs for probing Pahalgam attack. It can demoralize our armed forces and can also derail the investigations.